Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I am cash planning for the week. I have $398 that I plan on putting into my wallet, my sinking funds and savings challenges. So in this video, I'm just going to figure out how that money is going to be divided into each of these categories that I have listed here. First start off in my wallet. My wallet's getting $170, which is my usual amount that I always put into here, into my weekly spending for the week. So spending will get 30, eating out will get 30, groceries will get 80, coffee 20, and then buffer will get 10. So that's a total of 170 right there, just going into my wallet. Okay, and then so that leaves me with 228 to put into everything else. So I'm gonna first start off in my savings. I'm just going to do a little roll the dice kind of challenge right here. Here for the snacks. This is from my shop, and I plan on opening my shop sometime this month. I will have a date soon, but they will be available once I open again. But this one I'm just gonna roll twice for this challenge. So we have 2 and 2, which is the little ice cream, and that's $3. Get a little sticky note. Okay, so $3. And then the second roll, okay, we'll do 4 and 1. 4 and 1, which is the candy apple, and that's $2. So this challenge is getting $5 for this week. So $5 in here. All right, so that is $5 for here for the snacks. And then I have one more challenge I want to do before I move on to my envelopes, which is this cash stash one, which right now I have $20 right now waiting to color in a challenge. So let's see, what can I do? Oh, I could do 40. Can I do 40? Yeah, I could do 40. Okay, so, oh no, 30. I have 20. What am I thinking? I'll do 30. 30. Yeah, I have a 30. I have a couple of 30s. So I'll do 10 for this week. $10 in this challenge. And then I can color in a little section on that challenge. So 10 minus 10. Okay, that leaves me with 213. So I'm just going to go into my envelopes. Oh, putting this the wrong way. All right, so I have some priority envelopes that I want to fill first. Those are auto, which will get 15 this week. I think 15 will be, might be kind of close actually. I don't really have a lot, and I want to try to get something into each of these envelopes. So maybe I'll start off with 10. I'll start off with 10 and see where that gets me. 10. Extra savings, we'll get 10. I think I might be able to do 15. Just to be sure, I just want to do that first. Month ahead, we'll get 10. Another priority envelope for me right now is Go Wild. This will get 10. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna do, I should have gone with my first instinct to do 15. So let me just change this up. So that's an extra 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, so these will be 15. Minus 20. All right, that's good. Now everything else will just get whatever I can put in here. So electronics will get, I'll put 10 in electronics. Saving for that TV. Emergency, I'll put 10. Furniture will just get 5. I did that one. Rainy day will get 10. Ooh, running low, running low. I don't know if this is gonna work. Road trip will get 5. Scentsy will get 5. Okay, I'm just gonna put 5s in everything, I think. Subscriptions will get 5. Maybe that'll be enough. 5. Travel 5. Okay. This is why I get the big ones out of the way first. let's see, I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 75. Oh yeah, if I do 5s in all of these, I should be good. Okay, we're good, we're good. So I have Disneyland, we'll get 5. Tires, I might put 10 in here, but I'm gonna do 5 for now, and I'll come back to it. Treat yourself, we'll get 5. Fun, we'll get 5. Hobbies, we'll get 5. Christmas, we'll get 5. And holiday decor, we'll get 5. Oops. Okay, losing with 63. Beauty, we'll get 5. Clothing, 5. Costco, we'll get 5. Ooh, my tracker is so wrong on this. Hold on, let me fix this. I spent all this money. Okay, this is at 0. Okay, so this will get 5. Family will get 5. Gifts will get 5. Home, 5. 5 goes a long way, as you can see. Household will get 5. Pantry doesn't get anything because it's fully funded, and Target will get 5. Okay, that leaves me with 23. I do want to put $10 in the $10 challenge that I have it here, which is this one. It's my last time filling this one here. So this will get 10. And then this will get, I'll just put 5 in here. And then that, okay, I wanted to put in tires. I'm going to put 10 instead of 5. Let me go back to that one. That one's getting 10. So that's another 5. And then that 3 will go into the $1 challenge where I just save once. Okay, so that should be the full $3.98. I'm going to double check my numbers. Everything looks good. Everything matches. So I can move on to the tallies and count up how many 5s, all the 5s I'll be getting from the bank. All right, but I'm getting other stuff. So I'm getting 50s. I'm getting 1. Oh, wait, what am I doing? Just jumping ahead. First, I need to figure out the individual ones. All right, so auto, I'm getting 15. So that's 10 and a 5. Hold on. I'll take this out. 10 and a 5, and then 10, 10, 15, 10 and a 5. I have a 5 here. 10 and a 5, 10. Okay, I'm going to do a bunch of 5s here. Then 10, 15 here. Then a 5 and a 10, and then a lot of 5s over here. This whole this section is all 5s, all 5s, all 5s. Okay. And then a 10 for cash dash, a 5 for here the snacks, a 10 for the $10 challenge, a 5, and then a 3. Okay. Now let's count them up. So 50s, I'm getting 1, 20s, 3, 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 10s, 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, oh, hold on, sorry. Like double counted. 1, 2, or I thought I did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 5s. And then 1s is 8. All right, so now I'm just gonna multiply these. So I have 50. 3 times 20 is 60. Then I have 130, another 130, and 8. All right, now to add all this up and make sure it equals 398. So 50, 60, 130, 130, and 8. No. Did I do that wrong? 26 times 5 is 130, 60, 50. I messed up somewhere. No. What did I do? Okay, so 50, 60, 130, wait, 50, 60, 130, 130, and 8. Okay, I'm short 20 bucks. So somewhere I messed up. Where did I mess up? No. I mean, everything added up here correctly. So I might have messed up on the tallies because sometimes that happens. So let me double check what I did. A 10, a 5, a 5. Unless I messed up here. Did I mess up here? 50, 20, 40, 60, 50, 5. No, I didn't mess up here. Okay. Something going on here. It's so funny because I would think this would be like a very simple thing and I messed up. I still managed to mess up. 5, a 10, a 5, and a 3. Where did I mess up? 10, 10, 15. 5, 15, 10, 5, 5, 5, and then I got a 15, a 5, a 10. Where did I mess up? No. How did I manage to count this 10s wrong? What did I do? Okay, so I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, I didn't count these two. I don't have like little dots next to them. I just totally bypassed those. This is 15. My goodness. This is 15. I didn't put my little count dots. 15. And then that's 150. That's 50, 60, 150, 130, and 8. 398. Perfect. Now it's good. It's always fun trying to figure out where I messed up. Okay. So, going to write down all the things I'm asking for at the bank. So 50s, I'm getting one of those. 20s, I need 3. That's 60 bucks. 10s, 15, 150. 5s, I need 26, which is 130. And then 1s, I need 8, which is $8. And that is a total of $398 that I'll be pulling from the bank today. Okay, so that is my cash plan for the week. I will have my cash stuffing up on Sunday morning. So if you're interested in seeing that, definitely check that out. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button because that really helps out my channel. I really appreciate if you can do that. I'm trying to hit some subscriber goals. So if you can help me with that, appreciate it. Also, you'll be able to see all the content I put out. I try to put content out almost daily. But I have lots of content on my channel for you to enjoy. But that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, again, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one.